Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on MoonPay. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MoonPay application. Then you need to log in into your account with the help of your email address and your password if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see this buy tab. So when you tap on the option of buy, it will take some time to redirect you here on the buy page. By default, Bitcoin will be selected here, but since we want to purchase USDT, you need to simply tap on this option. Then you can just simply use the search bar and search for USDT. Over here you can get the USDT on various different networks, like we have TRC20, then we have Ethereum, BEP20, etc. So if you want to save the money on the gas fees, you can select either TRC20 or the BEP20 network. For this video, I'm going to be selecting USDT on the TRC20 network. After that, you need to enter the amount of USDT which you want to spend in order to purchase USDT. Then simply tap on the option of continue with Tether. On the next page, you need to simply just select your payment method and conclude your payment. Once your payment is done, you are going to get your USDT in your MoonPay account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.